Hi, my name is Emmanuel Joel. I'm the CEO and the founder of Rescunomics, a rescue tech company here in Houston, Texas. Well, we are, for the first time, we are actually rescuer-centric as a retired firefighter and a captain of the fire department. We are a team made up of dedicated career, ex-career rescuers, and we are creating a digital, system-wide digital platform for rescuers in emergency situations. It was born while I was in the fire service as a rookie firefighter. I did lose my captain, sadly, at a fire years ago, and I asked myself, what could I have done? What could we have done better? And I decided to start Rescunomics. What we intend to do is to plug the gap points that we have experienced as rescuers and to come up with solutions via technology. This is my second accelerator program, and while I was at Iron, I did hear good things about Softeq, and I did my research, and I heard that they are very hands-on when it comes to developing startup companies, and it was a dream come true coming into the program. They don't call themselves investors; they call themselves operators, and for the first time, I can see it's way different from what we have out there when it comes to accelerator programs. They are more hands-on, and I hope we are hoping to get our MVP finished, and that's been taken care of. And for the first time, I can actually sit back and relax and breathe a little easier, knowing that Softeq is actually handling my product. Well, I think what I'm most excited about is the diversity. I've met a lot of companies from Sweden and Iceland and the UK and from other parts of the United States, and that's a new experience for me. And it's so nice to be able to share ideas with other entrepreneurs from globally. That actually adds to my think tank. There's a quote that says that um, I'll, it's a shame. I'll be ashamed of myself if I leave this world without making it better than I met it. And that's my dream and my mission for Rescunomics. We hopefully will be the next rescue tech unicorn in the country.